Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans, and we are back, you guys, with another video. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome if you're a returning, and welcome if you're a new subscriber as well. Today I want to start with we're going to start with November's budget with me. This is going to be for paycheck number 1. I'm a semi-monthly paid employee. We are currently budgeting for a family of 3 plus 1 dog. And so right now we are going to be starting with what we rolled over from October, which was $56.89. So this budget is going to run through the first half of November. So I'm semi-monthly paid. So that means I'm paid on the 15th and on or about the 30th or 31st. So my budget kind of runs half through the month and the other half through the month. So we're going to start with income, and we're just kind of work our way down. So for income, I brought in $2,058.92. That's after insurance, taxes, you know, all the good stuff, investing and all that. So this is what I'm left with. My son contributed $266. My daughter contributed $40 for her cell phone, and then we made 5 cents of interest. So I added that here. When I'm doing my budget and when I'm reconciling, I am to the penny, you guys, because I need every penny to pay this debt. So we are down to the penny. I know some people don't bother with the cents. I bother with the cents because I want to make sure that I'm not missing anything and that I have every penny accounted for, just because right now we are on a debt payoff journey and we need every penny. So that is why I am including the cents. So for the first thing we are going to do is we're going to save our $125 into our joint savings right off the top. We currently have our account in Wealthfront, and it is accruing interest monthly there for us. So the next one is sinking funds. I plan on pulling out $219. And that is mainly going towards Christmas. I will just show you guys real quick what my plan is. So my plan is to save for Christmas $123. Then we'll be $97 away from our goal, which I will get on paycheck number 2. So that is how we'll do that. Trash, we're saving $46 for our quarterly trash bill, and pet meds, we are saving $50, and then we would be $50 away from our goal. So that's my first goal, is to get to the $220 for the medications, and that is for her heartworm and flea pill for the whole year. So that is my plan for that. And so that's $219. So we'll go back over to the budget here, and that's for paycheck number 1. And for bills, we have budgeted $642.69. So far, most of the bills have cleared except for Spotify and Frontier, which is our internet. YouTube is $14.93, Peacock $212. Our cell phone bill went down because we paid off 2 phones on our plan as of October. So the bill went down like about $20. So that's $279.61, and that should be the amount going forward. Spotify, it's still pending at $18.14. My car wash subscription came out for $30. Our internet is $16 this month. It went down a little bit because we were owed some credits due to some service outages, and I am due for some more credits. I need to call them. Water was $69.41, and that bill just keeps going up, you guys. So for the money I saved on the electric bill and our cell phone bill, I paid it right back to the water bill. So it's just not good. Paramount Plus came in at $6.48. So that is that. And for debt this paycheck, I plan on paying $190 towards loan number 1. Nothing yet for Discover, and pay set number 6, $29. I mean $53.94. I'm sorry, not $29. I was reading the 29th as $29. No, the payment is due on the 29th, but it is $53.94. So that is that. So that's a total of $243.94 for debt. So for variables, we have our normal budgeted amounts, and that's $400 for groceries, $75 for eating out, gas at $75, nothing for pets because I think we're still good. And that is usually for like pet food. And right now we're still pretty good. I think maybe next check I will have to re-up. Beauty, I actually, you know what? I actually do need to up this a little bit. So that's going to be 70. And then spending, we have our normal budgeted amount at 100. Deposit, so this was for my mom's apartment. I helped her out with some of the deposit money, and that was $100. So that is that. And so far that's it. We haven't really done much spending yet because the paycheck just started, but I am waiting for some of the bills to come out and clear those out. So the only thing for spending so far that I had spent was $4.54 for breakfast at McDonald's, and then I think that was it. So nothing really yet. Oh my god, what am I doing? So nothing yet as far as spending goes. That's how we're looking for paycheck number 1. So we currently have $371.23 unbudgeted, and that is usually what I roll over to paycheck number 2 for debt payments. So I usually roll that over to Discover eventually, and that's what I'm kind of hoping to do. So that's really our budget for paycheck number 1. So some stuff that's coming up is this month will be my mom moving, so I'll probably have some expenses associated with that. We'll probably have to get her a washer and dryer, so that'll probably be a new debt that we'll take on, unless I can get some help in that department from my siblings. So we'll see how that goes. So far I'm not counting on anything. Let's see what else. My husband will be traveling, but we've already made his arrangements, so I don't think we'll need anything else in that department as far as going into the budget goes. I think the only thing was the bills. Some of the bill amounts changed. I don't think anything else is pending or has changed. I think our budgeted amounts are still okay. This month I do want to do some Christmas shopping on Black Friday. Hopefully maybe some cyber deals or something like that, shopping online. So I'm hoping to do that. So I think that's the only really big thing going forward. I don't think anything else is really changing for us this month. I think it's just status quo, same old, same old. For paycheck number 2, I haven't planned out my cash sinking funds, but I am thinking about these amounts here, which would leave me towards my goal, and that would be, let's see, 44 and 10. So that's 43, 44, and 10. I am planning on doing that. We've already saved for our trash bills, so I don't need anything there. My car registration is fully funded. My American Express fee due in December is fully funded. I do want to contribute another 50 here for our pet meds. I think I need to see, but I think I may put some money in here as well because I know I'm getting low and I will need to buy some soon. I don't think I need anything else right now. I think that'll be all. So maybe about 150 or so is what I'm budgeting right now for paycheck number 2. As far as bills go for paycheck number 2, I don't really have it set up yet, so I'm not ready to talk about it. We do have some things going on for paycheck number 2, but I haven't sorted it all out yet. I haven't created the budget and all that and finished it all up yet. But yeah, you guys, this is how we're looking for now. We have 371 unbudgeted. We started with 56.89 of rollover, and we're just going to continue the budget on through the paycheck, and we'll catch up at the end of it. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.